Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make text bigger in Snapchat. To change the text size, you'll need to do it through your phone setting. So first, go to your settings application. Once you're there, select the search icon in the top right and search for text size. You'll get the text size option in the accessibility tab. Go ahead and select it. And there you'll get the option of text size and caption style. Go ahead, select text size, and you'll get various options like very small, small, normal, large, and very large. You can go ahead and select large or very large according to your preference. And once you've set it, it will make the text bigger on Snapchat as well. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.